Welcome back, guys. I'm Mark Wong, and today we are in the tech room, your trusty companion for all things tech. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest innovations or a casual user seeking honest reviews, you've come to the right place. Join us as we dive deep into the realm of gadgets, gaming consoles, PCs, and more. In this video, we will be showcasing the best performance Intel Arc B580 build under $900. The Intel Arc B580 is basically the king of budget GPUs, as it offers better rasterization performance than its Radeon and NVIDIA counterparts at a lower price. No wonder this GPU has taken the budget gaming GPU segment by storm. Of course, to max out the power of the B580, you'd want a highly optimized system. So in today's video, we'll be showing you the PC build that will be able to unleash the true potential of this budget beast. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Also, it's worth noting that the prices can change from time to time. So again, be sure to take a close look at the direct links for the updated price tags. On top of that, be sure to take a look at our landing page in the description for the complete list of all our products. So let's get started. Let's start with the processor. Priced at $198, we have the Ryzen 5 7600X. This CPU boasts 6 cores and 12 threads with a base clock speed of 4.7 GHz and a boost clock of 5.3 GHz. This CPU offers great gaming performance, and paired with the B580, you won't be experiencing any bottlenecking whatsoever. Now, another reason to go with the 7600X aside from performance is its upgradability options. Let's say the time has come that you decide to upgrade your GPU. You can actually pair this processor with the most powerful GPUs in the market, such as the 4090, 5090, or 7900 XTX, and it will still run smoothly at 4K resolution with minimal bottlenecking. Realistically, by the time you decide to upgrade your B580, a new generation of graphics cards may have already been released, and you can rest assured that your 7600X will pair with them perfectly. Next, we have the SSD. There's really nothing extravagant about the SSDs you're getting, except that they should come from a reputable brand. For that, we recommend the Team Group MP44L 1TB SSD, priced at $55. This SSD adopts the PCIe Gen 4x4 interface and supports SLC cache. It also delivers read and write speeds of up to 5,000 and 4,500 megabytes per second. With a storage capacity of 1 TB, it's more than enough if you're playing 2 to 3 games at a time, but if you plan on keeping your games in storage, we recommend the 2 TB version. Now, if you're pairing the 7600X with the B580, you really don't need to overclock your CPU. That being said, a regular air cooler would do to keep your temperatures in check. This is why we recommend the Vetroo V5 Black CPU air cooler, priced at $25. With RGB lights and a 120mm fan, this not only looks great, but also delivers good airflow with its 9 fan blades, 5 heat pipes, and 8 rubber pads for both silent operation and cooling efficiency. Plus, you can adjust the fan height based on your RAM, making it great for tight setup. Time for the motherboard. Priced at $130, we have the ASUS Prime B650 Plus Wi-Fi motherboard. From the name itself, it offers Wi-Fi and comes with 4 RAM slots, giving you upgradability options. It is also compatible with Ryzen 7000 and 9000 series CPUs, as well as DDR5 RAM. For the RAM, we have the CORSAIR Vengeance RGB 32GB kit, priced at $98. This dual-channel RAM is designed for gaming, featuring a CAS latency of 36 with speeds of up to 6,400 MHz. Plus, it has RGB lights, just in case aesthetics matter to you. Of course, let's not forget the star of the show, the Intel Arc B580, priced at $250. One downside about this card is that it's incredibly hard to get. So if there's a chance that you're able to get one, be sure to decide quickly. Now, this baby boasts 12 gigabytes of VRAM with raw rasterization, gaming performance similar to that of the 4060 or 4060Ti at a lower cost. For the power supply, a 650 watt unit would be ideal for this build, so we recommend the ASRock SL-650, priced at $90. Being 80 plus gold certified, this is a reliable unit that offers a bit of headroom for your peace of mind. Finally, we have the PC case. You'd want something that offers good airflow, so we recommend the Sama ARGB Q5 BK Black. This case comes with 3 120mm ARGB fans pre-installed while being capable of holding a maximum of 5 fans. It also offers front support for up to 240mm liquid coolers. Now, the B580 is basically a 1080p GPU, and it can also run smoothly at 1440p with optimized settings and upscaling. For this video, we will be taking a look at its performance benchmarks at 1440p, testing it out on Cyberpunk on ultra settings with upscaling and ray tracing off. We were able to average 51 FPS with 1% lows of 40 FPS. With XE super sampling on quality and ultra settings, we were able to average 72 FPS with 1% lows of 55 FPS. With ray tracing on, we were able to average 48 FPS with 1% lows of 39 FPS. Now, let's try this out on a more graphic-intensive game such as Hellblade 2. With upscaling off and at low settings, we were able to average 37 FPS with 1% lows of 34 FPS. Turning on XE super sampling on quality while still on low graphic settings, we were able to average 59 FPS with 1% lows of 23 FPS. And there you have it, folks. Best performance Intel Arc B580 build under $900. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button. If you have a question or a product you want us to review, be sure to drop your recommendations in the comments below. Until next time, this is Mark signing off, reminding you to stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech rooms great.